you're saying that you don't have rhythm. But listen what you're doing right there. With that stamp and a book, you got a real nice hook. Sounds to me like you got rhythm to spare.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I've got as much rhythm as that chair. But I don't have to be a millionaire. Look, I got a sweet deal going on. All the books that I can read. All these sweet old ladies in this carpet from the 80s. Welcome over to the librarian need. Besides, I ain't got rhythm. No, I ain't got rhythm.